भाई कल का एडिटोरियल क्या सही था, देखा?
ब्रो करंट अफेयर पढ़ा क्या? उसी में अटकेगा।
Bro, are you doing current affairs or not?
Hello everyone, let's start our weekly current affair capsule. Just a minute. एक कॉफी मिलेगी? ब्लैक कॉफी? नहीं? The Coffee Board of India is likely to launch an online trading platform जहां की coffee growers can directly connect with roasters and traders without the support from any middlemen. It will ensure better realizations of prices for the growers and will also help address the traceability issue for the buyers. वैसे लास्ट ईयर टी बोर्ड और टी प्रोड्यूसिंग स्टेट्स को लेकर के क्वेश्चन आ चुका है. रिसेंटली इंडिया एंड चाइना ट्रूप्स clashed along the Yangtze River in the Tawang sector of Arunachal Pradesh. This incident came days after China expressed objections against Operation Yodha Vyas, an India-US joint military exercise at Oli in the Uttarakhand hills, claiming that this was a direct violation of 1993 and 1996 border agreements. देखिए भाई साहब, जिनके खुद के घर कांच के होते हैं उनको दूसरों के घरों पे ना पत्थर नहीं मारना चाहिए. जब देखा व्हाट्सएप चला रहा था दिन भर. लेकिन तो का पता है कि एप्पल हैज रिसेंटली अनाउंस्ड दैट दे विल बी इंक्रीजिंग द नंबर ऑफ डेटा पॉइंट्स प्रोटेक्टेड बाय end-to-end encryption ऑन iCloud फ्रॉम 14 to 23 कैटेगरीज. एप्पल तो एप्पल है भैया. In February 2023, Kolkata will witness the Tram Jatra event to celebrate 150 years of its iconic trams and renew hope that this non-polluting mode of transport does not become entirely extinct. जब ट्रैम्स शुरू हुए थे तो 24 रूट्स हुआ करते थे, बट अभी इस टाइम पे सिर्फ 2 रूट्स ही बाकी हैं. चलो আমরা সবাই মিলে ग्रीन मोबिलिटी के ऊपर ध्यान केंद्रित करबो. दारुण. Restoration Barometer Report 2022 was released by IUCN. This report highlighted the use of Restoration Barometer tool as the only tool used by the government to track the progress of implementation of the restoration targets. क्या आपको पता है कि 18 कंट्रीज ने मिल करके 14 मिलियन हेक्टेयर लैंड को रिस्टोर किया है, which is the same size about the size of Greece, और इन्होंने 12 मिलियन जॉब भी क्रिएट किए हैं. After its special status was removed, several political parties in Ladakh have demanded that Ladakh की cultural identity, उनकी land और उनकी employment को protect किया जाए under the 6th schedule of Constitution of India. In order to curb access to the means of suicide, the Agriculture Department of India has banned 6 hazardous pesticides that include monocrotophos, profenophos, acephate, profenophos plus cypermethrin, chlorpyrifos plus cypermethrin and chlorpyrifos for 60 days. While there is a provision allowing an extension for 30 days, a permanent ban can also be issued by the Union Government of India. जरूरी है ये चीज. क्या आपको पता है कि इंडिया में आज की रीसेंट रिपोर्ट के हिसाब से 11.2% जो सुसाइड्स हैं वो फार्मर सुसाइड होते हैं. नेशनल पॉलिसी ऑफ रेयर डिजीजेस NPRD हैज नॉट रीच्ड एनी सिंगल पेशेंट विद रेयर डिजीजेस इवन सेवरल मंथ्स आफ्टर इट्स इंट्रोडक्शन. Recently, a Rajya Sabha member of the parliament has raised concern over this issue. Sam Bankman-Fried, who founded and led FTX until a liquidity crunch forced the cryptocurrency exchange to declare bankruptcy last month, was arrested in Bahamas after criminal charges by the US prosecutors. हमको क्या है? भैया यूपीएससी करते करते एक ढेला नहीं बचता है. क्रिप्टोकरेंसी में कहां से इन्वेस्ट करेंगे? डालो जेल में इनको. The Parliamentary Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment has inquired with the Union Government for the delay in approving the continuation of the scheme for providing education to madrasas and minorities SPEMM. Comprehensive reforms have been undertaken by PSBs, public sector banks, under Enhanced Access and Service Excellence Reforms Agenda to improve the ease of doing business. Recently, WHO ने World Malaria Report 2022 को रिलीज किया है. They were concerned that post-COVID there will be a rise in the cases and deaths of malaria, but the reports have shown a stable number. Recently, the Global Analysis and Assessment of Sanitation and Drinking Water Report (GLAS) was released by WHO and UN Water. The Bepor Uru. The Bepor Uru are a symbol of Kerala's trade relations and friendship with the Gulf countries. Recently, the District Tourism Promotion Council Kozhikode has applied for a GI tag on the famous Bepor Uru. From Rule by Law to the Rule of Law, ये एक book है विधि Center for Legal Policy, which is an independent Delhi-based think tank. In this book, they have suggested reforms regarding the role of district collector and district magistrate. To protect forex reserve and inflation in the country, Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has signed an agreement to extend up to $200 million currency swap facility to Maldives Monetary Authority (MMA) under the SARC currency swap framework. अभी गुजरात इलेक्शंस के बाद आम आदमी पार्टी इंडिया की 9th नेशनल पार्टी बन गई है because they got 13% share of the votes. क्या बात है केजरीवाल जी बढ़िया. After the Tawang skirmish, there has been a high demand to sever trade ties with China. However, contrary to the demands, India's imports from China have seen a sharp increase post the Galwan Valley clash in 2020. अक्टूबर 2022 में इंडिया का जो एक्सपोर्ट है वो 16.7% गिर चुका है as compared to the same period in 2021. One of the reasons might be the recession in US and UK. Okay. अब ना एक छोटे से पॉजिटिव नोट पे अपना वीकली करंट अफेयर कैप्सूल खत्म करते हैं. Recently, the scientists in the United Kingdom have successfully tested a new cancer therapy called base editing for patients suffering from T-cell acute lymphoblastic leukemia (TALL). We know कि आपको करंट अफेयर और न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने के लिए बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं मिल पा रहा है. That is why we here at Educhemy are providing you with 4 classes a week on current affairs, जहाँ पे हमारे faculty आपके साथ करते हैं a detailed discussion on each and every development on current affairs, including a class on question paper discussion of a weekly test. So watch it on YouTube या फिर मैं suggest करूँगा यार कि आप institution आओ, join a class and stay updated. आज से ही. बड़ी जल्दी ले आए क्या? कॉफी बोर्ड ने भेजा है क्या? ओके देन अगले हफ्ते फिर मिलते हैं हमारे नए वीकली करंट अफेयर कैप्सूल के साथ. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.